Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong second half ng 2024. So that's July to December 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo makapag-book. Okay, Capricorn, let's see. Ano yung overall energies ninyo? Second half ng 2024. Capricorn. Knight of Pentacles. This is prosperity. Ayan o, prosperity. Benefits, investments. So, maaring focus kayo sa kaperahan, sa financial stability ninyo ngayong second half ng 2024. Maari ring yung mga nasimulan nyo na projects, magtutuloy-tuloy yan. You will be also trying to invest in yourself, no? Sa skill set mo. Invest on your talents. Let's see what else. Possible challenge. The Fool. Okay, ang challenge lang dito is yung pagiging risk taker. Maaring nandun kayo sa point na gusto nyo yung sigurado. Oo, playing safe for some of you, but may mga pagkakataon kasi na kailangan rin natin sumugal para mas malaki yung possibility na bumalik sa atin ng mas malaki yung ating ini-invest. Okay? So, there is also a potential for you to try new things. Pero since this is your challenge, tina-challenge ka ngayon na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo ngayong second half ng 2024. Okay? So, let's see your opportunity. Kumbaga parang you have to step out of your comfort zone. Let's see your opportunity. Wow, you have the Chariot. Ang ganda naman ng opportunity na to. So, this is about journey, success. Maaring meron kang opportunity to travel to some places. You will also see progress, pag-unlad sa mga bagay na nasimulan mo or ginagawa mo na ngayon. Some of you, meron din kayong opportunity to have your own car, bagong sasakyan. Maaari ring yung mga plano ninyo na travel na hindi natutuloy ngayong second half ng 2024, it will finally happen. Okay? So, kailangan lang keep your eye on the prize, focus on your goals para makamit mo yan, yung tagumpay. So, your blessing is the 5 of Wands. So, competition. As a blessing, kung ano man yung competition na sasalihan mo, you are going to be a winner. Mananalo ka dyan. At regardless kung ano yung maging resulta ng mga competitions na yan, this will make you a better version of yourself. Kasi talagang, kumbaga, nabatak ka na improve ka, no? So, there's definitely progress here. And I feel like mas magiging competitive ka, mas determined ka to make things work. Mas determinado ka na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo kahit na mahirapan ka. Let's see the Knight of Pentacles. What is the Knight of Pentacles? You have the 4 of Wands. Wow, celebration to. Meron kayo sa celebrate related to your house, your home life, family life. So, pwedeng yung mga goals mo para sa bahay nyo, renovation, makabili ng bahay, makalipat ng bahay, home improvement, things like that, no? Makabili ng mga furnitures, yan. Makukuha mo yan. So, your family is celebrating yung inyong mga achievements. Let's see what else. You have the 4 of Swords. So, the Fool is clarify siya ng 4 of Swords. So, kasi yung 4 of Swords is about pananahimik or stop na pagtigil. As a challenge siguro, pwedeng may mga bagay na ino-overthink ninyo na to the point na nagpo-procrastinate ka na hindi ka na nagte-take action sa kakaisip ng kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. I mean, okay naman yun na syempre pag-isipan yung mga decision making natin, pero kung masyado ng parang komportable na lang lagi para sa'yo, walang growth kasi dun eh. Kasi minsan yung yung comfort, ano yan eh, it brings stagnation. Kasi okay na, komportable ka na, so hindi ka na alis dyan, di ba? But hindi mo marirealize yung iba mo pang pwedeng ma-achieve outside of that comfort zone. Kaya ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka magte-take ng risk. What is the chariot? What is the chariot? You have the Father of Cups. So this is the energy of a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I think you will follow your passion, no? Kung saan ka mas masaya, saan ka mas nag-e-enjoy, saan ka mas nagkakaroon ng fulfillment. Yun yung opportunity mo ngayon to follow your passion. What is the Five of Wands? And I think marami ring magsusupport sa'yo, no? Sa mga gusto mong gawin. Importante rin dyan, there are people who are rooting for you. What is the Five of Wands? We clarify din siya ng Five of Wands. So as a blessing, I think whatever challenge na kaharapin mo ngayong second half ng 2024, kayang-kaya mo yang malagpasan. Kayang-kaya mong ma-overcome yan. Hindi man siya magiging madali for you, but you have the strength that you need. Kumbaga, nandun yung fighting spirit mo na walang makakakuha, no? Hindi yan makukuha sa'yo, yung fighting spirit mo. Nandyan yan, no? So, you will have that very competitive energy na yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa success. So, for your money, career, finances, kailangan daw meron kang backup plan sa mga gagawin mo kasi maaring merong isa na hindi mag-work for you. So, syempre, hindi naman porket hindi nag-work yon titigil ka na. No? Maraming mga successful inventions, creations, na bago naging perfect, naging successful is marami siyang pinagdaan ng trial and error. Okay? So yes, some of you are healing your finances. Kung may mga naging challenges kayo sa finances ninyo, you are healing from that. Kung meron kayong mga loans na nahirapan kayong bayaran ng mga nakaraan, ngayong second half ng 2024, you will be able to pay for that. Magician. This is the ability to manifest your desires. You are very powerful manifestor. So, maaring meron kang ima-manifest related sa trabaho mo, sa business, or sa career mo, na kung talagang determinado ka dyan, no? Kung committed ka dyan, yan ay talagang mangyayari. Makukuha mo yan. There's so much power in you. And I think yung skills mo, mas lalo mo pang i-enhance. Whatever skills you have in your career, your finances, your business, lalo mo pang ma-enhance. Oh, you have the Four of Pentacles. So, very stable ang inyong career, finances, no? This is stability, financial security. Yung iba sa inyo, mas marami kayong savings. Marami kayong maiipon ngayong second half ng 2024. So, kumbaga, more on stability ang gusto nyo ngayon. Na, alam mo yun, hindi na mo problema, hindi ka na matatakot kung may bills ba na parating kasi alam mo meron kang pambayad. Hindi ka matatakot na mag-shopping kasi alam mo na you have more than enough. Hindi mo titingnan yung prices sa restaurant kung magkano yon. Kakain ka sa restaurant na gusto mong kainan kasi masarap at hindi ka titingin sa kung ano yung presyo. No? So, sa relationship, you have clarity and potential. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng person sa buhay nyo na may potential na maging romantic partner. But I think para sa inyo, alam nyo kung anong gusto nyo sa relationship. So, if you are in a relationship right now, I think you want your relationship na maging secure, no, in the future. kumbaga, hindi lang puro pa cute-cute or dating-dating. You want someone na magbi-bring ng structure, ng stability sa buhay mo. Someone na masasabi mo talagang partner kasi katuwang mo siya sa build ng future nyo, ng dreams ninyo. O, diba? Speaking of building your dreams, your hopes, you have the Star card. So, you may be dealing with an Aquarius or a Libra. So, you have the Justice card. Pagdating sa relationship, ang makukuha mong person sa buhay mo ay yung taong meron ding pareho ng pananaw mo, pareho ng paniniwala mo. Someone who has the same mindset as you are, no? And I also see you healing from your past, releasing your past, para mas ma-enjoy mo yung present moment mo with your person. You have Venus in Sagittarius in the 9th house. 9th house is about travel. This is also about learning. Pero nandito si Venus. So yung iba sa inyo, if you are connecting with someone na foreigner or nasa ibang bansa, long distance relationship, I think you will have a successful connection with that person. You also have Saturn in Virgo in the 6th house. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring magta-try na yung mga yung mga single dyan, possible na maaring mas lalabas kayo ngayon. No? Kasi pwedeng in-isolate niyo yung sarili niyo ng matagal. Umiwas kayo sa relationship. But I feel like you might meet someone, pwede kang makakilala ng romantic partner while traveling or while learning something. So, pwedeng sa school, sa airport, sa ibang bansa, ayan, makikilala mo yan. So, peace. Ayan. So, just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. Ayan. So, iwas ka sa drama. For you, you will use your energy sa mga bagay na kapakipaghinabang. Oo. At iiwas ka sa drama. Okay. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.